my first earned gift. Thank you, Mom, you kept your promise. You know, it was not easy to get 100% attendance at school, no sick leave at all, and getting A+ grade in my maths Olympiad was just a dream come true. But someone made it easy for me. Of course, my mother and her Preserva Daily Strength Juice and Visiongold Juice. Mom says Daily Strength Juice provides me strength, boosting my immunity, and Visiongold Juice is an eye tonic that takes care of my eyes. My power, health, energy and performance has proved it all.
Yes, I have added juices to her breakfast routine so that she stays healthy and her vision perfect. Even I take Visiongold regularly to relax my eyes and to ensure my eyesight doesn't deteriorate after long hours on the computer.
The best thing is that anyone can take it because it is made with the goodness of natural ingredients like aloe vera juice, carrot juice, trifla and turmeric extract. Preserva Daily Strength Juice and Visiongold Juice has given me my best. Now it's your turn to be your best.